Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in my video, I'm gonna show you a perfect way of sari draping. This is a requested video where most of my followers are kept asking me how you will drape your saree in a perfect way, and that too you look very tall in that, and your tummy is also not visible. Really, I have little tummy where I will not disclose it, like I'll close when I wear a saree. So today I'm gonna show you some tips. There will be some tips where you can drape in such a way so that your tummy also won't be visible, and also you look very tall. Most of the people, almost 90% of people, doesn't know how to drape a saree perfectly. There may be so many reasons for that. They may be due to they cannot manage how to drape a saree, or they don't know how to wear a saree, or they may be in urgency, like they may think like let it go however it is, like that. But I'll show you the perfect way where you feel very comfortable when you wear a saree, and also you look very beautiful and your figure looks very perfect. Also you cannot see, nobody can see your tummy that you have. So I'm gonna show you that kind of a draping today. This is a very useful video for all the women. Try draping in the same way how I'm showing in my video today, so you look perfect in a saree. The saree which I'm using now is not a costlier one. It is a normal range one, where the pattu, even though I'm using a pattu saree, the saree is not that soft, but still you can manage. Without any delay, let's get started with the simple way of draping a saree. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my video by clicking the subscribe button at the bottom of my video, and also the bell button beside that, so that you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I really have a very good list of videos, so don't miss any video from my channel. So do subscribe to my channel and start watching, and you will get so good knowledge, vlogs, and so many things you will get to know. So without any delay, let's get started. So friends, today I'm gonna show you how to drape a saree in a perfect way to look slim and also tall. First of all, let's arrange the pleats of a saree. Some of them will arrange before the day if they are going for some parties, because particularly for pattu sarees it is very difficult. If it is costly pattu, no problem, cloth will be soft. But if it is medium range, it is very difficult to arrange the pleats, as the cloth will be little rough. Normally, youngsters or the teenagers can take 7 to 8 pleats, depend upon their interest. Middle aged will take 5 pleats, and older 3 pleats. Now I am showing for teenagers, as they don't like to show their tummy out. After arranging properly, secure it with the saree pins like this till the length you need it. After this difficult part, the rest of the draping will be easy. You don't need to worry. So just be patient while arranging these pleats. We are now securing the pleats with the pin. Observe properly, do as I am showing in the video, so that the saree draping will be very easy for you, and you will not get worried about draping the saree at all. I have already checked the length, how much I have needed. According to that, I am arranging the pins and taking the length and doing the plaits as much as I needed. Here I got 7 pleats. We are now draping the saree. Now first take the sari one round from half as usual, how you take the starting of the sari. I am showing on the dress because I just want you to show how to drape a sari and not to expose anything here. Please don't comment anything, that is the reason why I am telling you prior. Now we took the second round so that the pleats will be arranged and sit on the shoulder as in the video. Take the desired length and secure it with the pin like this. And this is one of the tips. Most of the people like to get in a straight line like this. For them, make a fold over here and secure the pin. If you put at the lower point, you will get slant or the curve like this. If you put the pin at little upper point, then you will get straight like this. This is the curve part, and if you put, I'm going to show you the straight way also. If you put same fold to the same fold, if you put the pin at the upper point, then you will get a straight like this without looking very odd. Now we'll go for the rest of the sari. Pull the sari tightly from upper to lower. Take it little low as shown in the video and secure here tightly with the pin so that the sari will sit tightly. This is the best tip for looking slim and getting a figure with the sari and also hiding the tummy if you have. Then take the other part and make big pleats like this. If you want, you can make the smaller pleats also. I always like to make big pleats so that it won't look very odd and tummy also won't be visible. Try to leave a little part to the right side, which we can cover later, otherwise it looks very bad. Now you will get a good finish by doing the same as I am showing in the video. Observe video properly, you can understand. Now the perfect way of sari draping is done. So the leftover part I am doing like this so that you will get the fine finish. So now you can manage sari easily wherever you go. Now I'll show the complete look by wearing blouse. So this is the final look, friends. I hope you liked my video. Now you cannot see any tummy and you look very thin and also tall even though you are little fat. So friends, this is my video on sari draping, and you found draping is very easy now. So if you have any request, you can still give me in the comment section. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, I'll be back with the new videos. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.